Ah, it's hurting, babe. Go slow. Yay, that's more like it. Oops, sorry. Again, I've started the dirty talk. Hey, you know what? Four men running behind me, craving to hold me. But I don't believe in the black and white racist world. All men are welcome in my kingdom. 18 other girls standing in competition with me. Array, I am way above you all. I am your sexy right queen. Hey, that 60 years old man running his fingers around me, and that 19 years old tin desperately trying to grab me. But now, gone are those days of pleasure, you know. I really miss your touch. I'm dying to submit myself in your arms. And that bitch smartphone has ruined my world. Please come back to me, baby. Look at me. Play it hard. I am lying in pen with only left of a few men. I need you. I want you. Hold me. Play me. Grab me. Please. Make love to me. Make love to me.